after this house was built, this is still Gothic times, it was purchased by the council because they wanted to enlarge the amount of space that they would occupy. They knocked the door through and this became another room, another house of the magistrate. And we call it the Old Council Hall. And if you look around yourselves, you will see one of the largest Gothic halls still intact with its original decoration in Europe. And if I say Gothic, I'm sure some of you already noticed some similar detailing like we had in a chapel. So Gothic here would be the wooden cladding that runs along the walls, but also the beams that carry the weight of the ceiling. And there you have the rosettes again, see? And on the walls they're finished with the wooden cladding. So this room was used as the council hall to deliberate, to meet, but also later on, from about the 14th century, from about the 15th century, they started using it also as the courtroom. So any crime that would take place within the walls of the old town will be here. And we know we are in a courtroom because there is a goddess of justice right there on the stone. See that gold lady over there? If you look at her carefully, will you be able to tell me what is unusual about her? No, that's a normal attribute to a justice. Anything else? Anything else? Yes, she's not blinded. She doesn't have a blindfold across her eyes, this thing. That's because she was placed here before the 1800s. The one that we know of the modern times that we are familiar with, which is the blinded one, was started to be used after the French Revolution, after 1800s. That's when, in a law, justice should be equal for all the different classes of society. We can argue if it's true, but that was the idea. This, what you're looking at, is a stove. That's the source of heating for the room here, and it's of the Baroque period. Largest of its kind in Bohemia. In this point, I should point out, because I will be using this terminology